Magandang umaga. Good morning guys. Today I am doing this Land Cruiser 80 series. I show you inside the evaporator. It's very dirty guys. I move it down and up. Oh, where are you? Sorry. See, look at that. That's inside evaporator guy. So what I have to do is I really have to remove this evaporator out and clean, and kailangan hugasan, linisan. Si compressor lang sira dito kaso lang yan, kailangan ko tanggalin yan para makuha ko yung evaporator. Ang talagang sira nito, compressor lang. Ito, pilitan ko ng bago. Yan, brand new na yan. Problema, nung yun nga, tiningnan ko sa aking camera, napakadumi sa loob. Yan tingnan nyo mabuti move po dahan-dahan yung ayan sobrang dumi guys sa loob ng evaporator. Ayan so wala tayong magagawa, babakbakin ko to. Yan ang evaporator nya, tatanggalin ko lahat yan at linisan. Alright guys, pag natanggal ko na, I will make another video. Thanks.